Matplotlib. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we will begin by explaining the Matplotlib library for the data visualization. This section will be a simple introduction to the Matplotlib library and how to use it. But first, did you know what the Matplotlib is? Let's start with a simple definition for the Matplotlib. Basically, Matplotlib is a popular Python package used to build plots. Also, Matplotlib is useful for creating static 2D plots, the kind of plots included in scientific publications and presentations. Almost any plot created in Microsoft Excel can be created with the Matplotlib. Also, Matplotlib can be used to make 3D plots and animations. And to import the Matplotlib library from the Python standard library, you can use the import keyword, same as any Python library if you wanna import it. Just typing in import followed by the library name, which is Matplotlib in this case, as it's shown. Now, how can we verify the Matplotlib installation? Actually, to verify that Matplotlib is installed, try to invoke the Matplotlib's version at the Jupyter notebook and try to use the following commands to do that. That command includes calling the version attribute, and this is a very common to most Python packages. As you can see, we are using version 3.2.2. Okay, now let's discuss the line plots, and we will see how do we import the Matplotlib correctly in our application to work with it without any errors. Line plots can be created in Python programming language with the Matplotlib's pyplot library. To build a line plot, first import the Matplotlib library. It is a standard convention to import Matplotlib's pyplot library as PLT. And if you are using a Jupyter notebook, you must include the line modulus matplotlib inline after the imports. And this line is a Jupyter notebook magic command, which causes Matplotlib plots to display directly inside the Jupyter notebook without any installation. To build our first plot, we will also use NumPy, a numerical computing library from the Python standard library. NumPy is typically imported with the alias np. And the right way to import the Matplotlib to use it in your application in the Jupyter notebook is exactly as follows. As you can see, just by using import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and we are gonna use this alias called PLT in the whole application. After that, we imported the NumPy array, and also we are gonna use its alias called MP. Then, as we said before, if using a Jupyter notebook, try to include the line modulus matplotlib inline after the imports. Modulus matplotlib inline is a Jupyter notebook magic command, as we said before, which causes Matplotlib plots to display directly inside the Jupyter notebook output cells, and there is no need to install anything.